Today we're going to take a look at Zo, the first intelligent perpetual protocol on Sui. We'll talk about what makes it unique. We'll go through the process of placing some trades. We'll mint some ZLP. Being early to a new platform like Zo presents opportunities for potential airdrops, and I'll show you some things you could do to potentially qualify. But before I get started, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. Taking a look at their X profile, the first perpetual protocol by Pseudo Finance on Sui Network. So Pseudo's been around for a while, and they are the team behind Zo. Taking a look at their docs. What is Zo? Zo is the first intelligent perpetual protocol that aims to bring AI-assisted perpetual trading to all DeFi users. On top of cutting-edge technology that guarantees you security, transparency, performance, and best pricing, Zo comes with intelligent AI agents that can offer you personalized trading advice and help you manage your portfolio based on your risk preference. You can see that they have a points program going on, which we'll touch on in a second. Let's go ahead and check out their website. Perpetual trading with Zo's AI-powered DeFi edge. Over 2 million total value locked, 400 million perpetuals volume. What makes Zo different? Built for speed, oracle priced, slippage free. Zo uses decentralized oracles like Pyth to ensure all trades are executed at transparent market prices. No AMM curves, no slippage, no MEV. Zo is built around programmable agents, smart on-chain logic that automates trading, manages risk, and reacts to market changes in real time. Zo Perpetual DEX is accessible through mobile wallets and even your favorite chatting apps. Interesting. Earn by powering the Zo protocol. Earn real yield. ZLP holders receive a share of trading fees and agent use revenue. Aligned incentives between traders and LPs, and we'll go through the process of minting some ZLP in a minute. Dynamic exposure and APY. Return scale with protocol volume and trader demand. The more the platform grows, the more your capital earns. Here are some of their partners: Talus, Navi, Aftermath, Sui, Cetus. Whether you're a power user or DeFi builder, we're here to support your next move. Let's go ahead and launch the app. Experience Zo. Right now they have a campaign going out with OKX wallet. I'll show you that in a second. It says, welcome to Zo next gen intelligent perpetual protocol. Trade with up to 50x leverage on various assets. Click on start trading. I really like the UI, very clean, easy to navigate. We'll go through this in a second. We'll connect our wallet, make a trade. Quickly, I'll run through each section of this app. If we go to earn, this is where you're going to see their ZLP token that you can mint, and we're going to do that in a second. Basically, this is a basket of assets that's made up of Sui, Deep, Wall, and some USDC. They also have the SLP token, which is just a different basket of Sui ecosystem assets, mainly made up of just Sui and then USDC and USDT. They do have a referral program that you can take part in. And then Zion Wars, this is kind of interesting. You can join different trading clans and trade with other people, or you can create your own. The hub is where you'll see all of your activity and your positions if you have them after you've connected your wallet and used it. And then the Zo Point Center, again, hints towards a potential Zo airdrop. This platform is still very new, so a lot of opportunity to participate in this, earn points, and climb the leaderboard. Here's their current campaigns that they have going on with OKX, BitCat. And then the bridge is just the Sui bridge, and then docs. Let's go back to trade. So let's start by connecting our wallet, and you can see they have a bunch of different wallet options to choose from. In this case, we'll go ahead and connect our Slush wallet. And then let's take a look at some of the pairs that they have to offer. In addition to Sui USD, they have Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Solana, Hyperliquid. And then what I really like is they have top Sui ecosystem tokens like Wall, Deep, Cetus, Hedal. And that's what I would personally use it for to start. The ability to trade Deep and Wall with leverage is something that is interesting to me. Let's click on Deep. So we're gonna go ahead and make a trade for Deep in a second. First, I wanna just jump into some of the Zo features. As a perps DEX, Zo provides the following features. Fully on-chain, your trades are submitted to chain and settled on-chain. There is no third-party centralized backend. Zero compromises. Our contract is audited by industry-leading audit partners. We implemented the contract with the best security practice in mind. Best price is zero slippage. We utilize decentralized price feed like Pyth to ensure you are getting the best price. And then sub-second finality. Zo is faster than all major on-chain perps DEXs on the market. Zo intelligence model. A typical perps trader often spends significant time monitoring the market to identify optimal entry and exit points, while also keeping an eye on market volatility to avoid liquidations. To address these pain points, Zo is an intelligence model that assists you with day-to-day trading operations. Zo intelligence model will come with the following features. So my understanding is that this is not fully live yet, but this will be implemented into the platform as it matures, and this is what they're aiming to do. One other thing I'll point out before we go ahead and make our first trade is I asked Grok to tell me more about Zo, and this is the key feature I want to talk about quickly is the ZLP token. It's the liquidity provider token for Zo. ZLP allows users to provide liquidity to the trading pool. LPs earn 75% 50% of the platform's fees, and ZLP is backed by assets like SWI, USDC, and Deep. So if we go back to the Zo app and we go to earn, this is where you'll see ZLP. You can learn more about it, and you can mint it here, which we're going to do after we make our trade. Essentially, ZLP is made up of a basket of SWI tokens, including SWI, Deep, Wall, and USDC. And if we go to trade and you take a look right here, you'll see that is the liquidity pool that the trades are pulled from. You also have the option to choose SLP, which, similar to ZLP, it's just a different basket of SWI ecosystem tokens, mainly made up of SWI and then USDC and USDT. Okay, so let's go back to trade and let's test this out. Again, I like the layout of this, super clean, easy to navigate. If we take a look over here, you have the ability to long or short. You can place market orders or limit orders. In this example, we'll just go with a market order. Click right here. You can go ahead and adjust your slippage. Another thing I like about this is that you can trade with whatever SWI ecosystem assets you have in your wallet. So for example, I have a balance of about 15 SWI in this wallet. So I could just say, we'll go with 4 SWI, and then here's the leverage slider right here to determine what you'd want to go with. In this case, we would just say 1.5%. So again, you could trade with SWI or any other SWI asset I believe that you have in your wallet from what I've tested. So for example, I also have some wall token in this wallet. I could use that to trade Deep. That's kind of a cool feature. I like that. In this example, we'll just stick with SWI, and we'll go ahead and say 4 SWI, and then again, we'll just leave it at 1.5 leverage. Liquidity pool is ZLP. We take a look down here, our collateral is in SWI. There's our leverage 1.5. It's going to show you your entry price, your estimated liquidation price, and then opening fee. So it does take a small opening fee as well. Let's go ahead and click on market long. So we're paying 4 SWI to long that much Deep with 1.5x leverage, and we'll go ahead and say confirm long and approve it. Success. And then if we look down here and I move myself over so I'm not in the way, you can see that we have one open position. Here's the size. That's the collateral we put up. Here's our entry price, current market price. That's our liquidation price if the trade goes against us. And then here you can add a take profit and a stop loss, which is really nice. Definitely recommend always using a stop loss. And then here you can see your unrealized P&L. So super clean interface, easy to do. And again, I love the fact that you're able to trade top SWI ecosystem tokens in addition to all the major tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and so on. I love the fact that you have access to Hadal, Wall, Deep, Cetus on this platform. So that's all pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and add a stop loss. We'll click on add. And then for close size, I would want it to close 100% of it. And then for the stop loss, you can just use the slider or you can enter a number. Let's just say if it goes to 15 cents, close it. Again, close 100%. If it hits 15 cents, we'll say confirm, and then just approve it. Then you can see right here that our stop loss has been set. So pretty straightforward and easy to use interface. All right, next I want to go to earn. We're going to go through the process of minting some ZLP for a couple different reasons. First, I want to hold the token to take part in the revenue sharing. 75% of trading fees from the platform go to ZLP holders, from my understanding. And second is I want to position myself to qualify for a potential Zo airdrop. And based on their points leaderboard, the fact that this platform is extremely early still, I want to do everything I can to use the platform and position for that potential airdrop. And I believe holding ZLP would be a way that you could do that. Again, this is the LP token for the Zo platform, and it's made up of a compilation of SWI ecosystem tokens in addition to SWI, Deep, Wall, and then some USDC. And if we scroll down, you'll see my ZLP, zero balance currently. We're going to go ahead and mint some. So you can mint it with SWI, Deep, USDC, or Wall. So we're going to say supply SWI. And we'll just say 6, and we're gonna get back that much ZLP token. So I'll go ahead and say mint ZLP, and I'll approve it. Congratulations, you successfully minted ZLP 14.5. And then you can boost your earnings, it says. Provide liquidity to ZLP pools to earn additional rewards. I'll show this in a second. So you can do it on Momentum Finance or Cetus, it looks like. And then if we open our Slush wallet, you can see we now have the 14 ZLP Zo perps tokens in here. So that's one thing you could do. Again, if you want to participate in the revenue sharing and also go a step further in qualifying for the potential Zo airdrop. So now that we have some ZLP minted in our wallet, you can see here's our balance. That's the total value of it. And then if you scroll down, here's where you can take a look at the stats for ZLP. Here's the current price, daily fees, monthly fees, total fees. Here's the total supply, 613,000. Total value locked is under 1 million. So again, this is still very early. Here's the daily volume, monthly volume, and so on. And here is the monthly APR. And then here's a chart for the token. That's the 1 day. day. That's the 1 week chart. You can take a look at the 1 month and so on. Another thing you can do that they are suggesting is you can go ahead and add your ZLP to a liquidity pool on Momentum Finance or on Cetus. So for example, if we click on add ZLP suite to Momentum pool, you can go ahead and supply liquidity to this pool on Momentum. I actually did this when testing out Zo prior to this video. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this wallet just to show you this, and I'll connect with the wallet where I actually took that next step. So I'm going to connect the wallet where I actually did that. And then if we scroll down, it's going to show it right here, AMM pool positions. So I have a position in the ZLP suite pool on Momentum Finance. If I click on manage it, it'll open Momentum Finance where I can manage that position. The reason I chose to do it on Momentum is because they have an upcoming airdrop, which is anticipated to be one of the larger ones on Sui this year. I have a full video on how to qualify for the Momentum Finance airdrop, which I'll put the link to in the description. But this is just another step. Not only can you earn additional yield on your ZLP potentially, right? You always have to take in risk of adding liquidity anywhere, impermanent loss mainly, but theoretically you could earn additional yield on ZLP. You could qualify for Momentum Finance airdrop while also boosting your points on Zo and qualifying for this potential airdrop. So you're really killing two birds with one stone by doing that extra step of, after minting some ZLP, supplying it on Momentum in the ZLP suite liquidity pool. Let's take a quick look at Zion War, the clash of trading titans. In the Zo era, trading is key to survival on Zion Planet. The Zion Planet DAO offers high stake rewards for winners in the Zion War. Form your own trading clan or join an existing one to participate in bi-weekly trading warfares and win huge. So this is something you could do as well. If you click on join a clan, here are all the different clans that you can join, or you could form your own clan. So this is really interesting as well. If we go to hub, here's where you can see your trading stats. I currently have 1 open trade. And then if we go to obviously points, this is the leaderboard. You can see here's my current rank, total points, trading points, and then LP points because I provided liquidity on Momentum. So Zo is something I'm going to continue to use. I think it's an interesting new addition to the Sui ecosystem, fully decentralized perps DEX that's looking to mix in AI. Again, I don't know if the full AI module is live yet. From what I can tell, it's not. I could be wrong, but it's still very early. I think there's plenty of opportunity for anyone that's interested to start using it, earning points, take advantage of the ability to trade top Sui ecosystem tokens on a perps DEX, and potentially qualify for another Sui ecosystem airdrop. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.